Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Now we are inshallah going to Hazrat Bahauddin Naqshband Rahmatullah Alayh. So it is requested that before we go to the grave of Sheikh Bahauddin Naqshband Rahmatullah Alayh, he said, Sheikh Bahauddin, that anybody who is coming to visit me, first he needs to go to my mother. So first we are going to go to his mother inshallah, and after that inshallah we will go to grave of Sheikh Bahauddin Naqshband. My brother Yasin is with me. He is our cameraman. He is just going to show you all of the eternal side as well. Right? الذين آمنوا وتطمئن قلوبهم بذكر الله لا بذكر الله تطمئن القلوب. यासीन भाई इस तरफ से भी थोड़ा सा कर ले. Right side. MashaAllah, beautifully. It is well decorated. Sheikh Bahauddin Naqshbandi Rahmatullah Alayh. Now we are going inside, and I think we will go first to Hazrat Bahauddin Naqshbandi Rahmatullah Alayh's mother's grave, inshallah. Beautiful, mashallah. Now it is inside. We are here. So it is important to understand Sheikh Bahauddin Rahmatullah Alayh. He was the murid of Hazrat Amir Kular Rahmatullah Alayh. And as I told you before, that Amir Kular Rahmatullah Alayh, he was a wrestler, and Baba Sumasi Rahmatullah Alayh told him that you should give up these sort of useless activities, because we are going to entrust you one responsibility, and this responsibility was Sheikh Bahauddin Naqshbandi Rahmatullah Alayh. Why he is called Naqshband? Naqshband means to be stamped. So when he gave ijazah to anyone to do zikr of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, so what happened, that the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala was printed on the person's heart. So this is Khaja Bahauddin Naqshbandi Rahmatullah Alayh. And he said, somebody asked him, what is tariqa? He said, Khilwat Dar Anjuman. What does it mean? That you are doing trade and every single thing, but your heart is not, away from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. You are remembering Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Khilwat Dar Anjuman. जैसे पंजाबी उर्दू में कहते हैं ना, दिल कारवर नहीं, हाथ कारवर तो दिल यारवर. So this was his famous qawl, if you like. On the demand of somebody asked him, please show some miracles. So you know what did he say? He said, our miracle is very obvious, and which is that we have the burden of the sins, but still we are able to tread the earth. हाँ, इतने गुनहगार होने के बावजूद भी ज़मीन ने हमारा बोझ उठाया हुआ है. इससे बड़ी करामत और क्या होगी भाई. So he was Baba Bahauddin Naqshband Rahmatullah Alayh. So Bahauddin Naqshband Rahmatullah Alayh, most of his remembrance and azkars, these are not read in loud, if you like, right? Zikr Khafi, mostly. This is what he is. Inshallah, when we go to the Mizar Sharif, then inshallah, brother Yasin inshallah is blessed, and he is with us, and we need to remember him in prayers as well, supplications. We will show you the Mizar from inside as well. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.